Hi, I'm Katie Smith. I am the Creative Director at Veterans Learning Group. I love our fun work environment and I love the flexibility that my position gives me. I am very stubborn and I will just keep going like the Energizer Bunny through everything life throws at me. I would be an axolotl because they're a type of salamander and they can regrow literally any part of their body, even parts of their brain. So I play D&D on the weekends and I'm in 2 campaigns. So I play a high elf, level 6 high elf druid and a level 4 tiefling bard because that's how cool I am.